An office that you visit should, if you have insurance, be able to deal with your insurance company. There are a myriad of different insurances out there, whether it's an actual insurance company or whether it's a reduced fee type of a plan, discount plan. Unfortunately, not every office will accept those, and I totally get it. When I first started this 30 some years ago, I kind of figured that I would rather be busy and be able to have more people afford what we can do, because let's face it, no way, shape, or form dentistry in any way is inexpensive. I mean, it's a commitment for people. If we're able to offer something that's more reasonably priced, there's it's value, right? People want value for a number of reasons. Again, I talked about insurance companies. Not everybody will accept certain types of insurances or plans. We deal with many of them. So I think that, number one, helps a great deal. Another reason that we're able to perhaps be a little bit more efficient in terms of cost is we are a larger group. As a result of that, we're able to buy things a little less expensively, and we are happy to pass that along, to our patients. And I think it's generally well accepted and greatly appreciated. Our doctors don't have to muddle through it. Our doctors are able to call on someone who has maybe some more experience or a collaboration component that allows us to offer to our patients the very best that there is.